Hello and welcome to the module number 16 of the digital marketing course. So in this video we are going to dive straight into the page builder which we are going to use for creating our website, and you're going to love the process entirely because this one skill can actually get you to make money starting from today. If you watch the next 3 videos in a day and you try to model what I teach you, you are going to see how easy it is to actually build a custom designed website that has a lot of dynamic features which you can use and develop websites for your clients and earn money out of it. And website designing, is the first step for digital marketing, just like I told you. So even if you are one who is building website for himself, you need to showcase your services. Like if you are good at something, you might need to show it to the world that you provide these services to these people. Okay, like you are a dentist and you provide these kind of services. You are a painter or you can provide these kind of services, right? So you need to list them all and you need to showcase your work and you need to tell them about yourself. And then there should be a contact form, right? A way to contact you. Like, in the last videos I told you that we are not going to use any plugin for the forms part because we are going to use it through Elementor, through the page builder that we have, and it is so powerful that you are going to learn a lot plus enjoy a lot. So let's scroll below and see what all do we get with this Elementor and why do we even have to choose Elementor in comparison to all the others out there. And by the way, the link to buy the Elementor plugin and to reach this page that we are on is below this video. And a quick disclaimer that it's again an affiliate link, so if you are going to buy using our link, we are going to earn a commission out of it. So if you feel that we are providing you enough value and great value in terms of improving your digital marketing skills and making you proficient enough to get paid for just the website designing services itself using Elementor, so I would suggest you and ask you to please buy it through our link so that we could get your appreciation in terms of the buying of Elementor, because anyway you are going to have to buy it. So if you do it using our link, we will appreciate that, and thanks in advance for doing that. And now let's again talk about Elementor. It is the world's leading WordPress website builder, all right, and 5 million professionals build websites with Elementor. 5 million. Just imagine the amount of people who are using Elementor today for developing their WordPress website. As it says that it is only a WordPress website builder, all right. And you can see from the visual here that you can see how easy it is to actually create a form, just like it showed here, and then you can align the contents. You can make some changes. We are going to do all of that step by step, okay, in a slow manner, but this visual is just to show you how easy it is to actually create your website and design it beautifully, all right. So you don't need to know the coding part here. You just have to be a little bit imaginative and creative in how you want your website to actually look, all right. So let's scroll below and see what all do we get here. You get an all-in-one solution. You can control every aspect of your web design workflow from one place. You get a simple, powerful, flexible experience, the power of 100% visual design and a faster performance, all right. Build websites that load faster and speed up the process of building them. And obviously it's going to speed it up because in one of the videos I told you that within a matter of a few hours you can set up your whole website using the page builder, because this page builder is not just for creating singular pages, but you can set up your entire theme using the theme builder that this plugin provides, all right. So let's see. Built for professionals from freelancer to agency, pixel perfect design in WordPress. So we are going to see that. Then there are a lot of integrations that you can do, right, to get more traffic, leads and conversions. And obviously this is something which we help people in doing, and which we want for ourselves as well as digital marketing experts, or the marketers or the business owners, all right. So Elementor helps us do that. And then it is developer friendly as well. If you want to add in some codes, if you are if you have the experience with CSS and HTML, then you can obviously use that knowledge and implement it in Elementor as well. It's not just for the non-technical people, but it is for both of them actually. So when you know coding, obviously you get an extra edge, and you can make some changes which others might not know how to make. But though Elementor has provided everything that lets a non-technical person, a non-coding a person to actually create any kind of website that he wants, all right. So we are going to do that obviously, and you can create any website you can imagine, just like I told you. So you have a link here. You have the visit Elementor showcase link here where you can check that how many people are actually, you know, building websites using Elementor. And this is a list actually prepared by Elementor itself. Like every month they come up with the Elementor sites of the month, and they, you know, break down the different kinds of features that these websites have built using Elementor itself. So it's kind of a great learning for you. Not just, you know, you don't just have to rely on me to learn the website building part using Elementor, but, you know, I'm going to give you the basics, and then after that you can actually scale it up to different levels based on how, you know, different websites which are among the top websites of the world that Elementor has featured on their own website, and you can learn from them and, you know, discover the different kind of tricks that you can use with Elementor. Okay, so let's scroll below and see what all do we have here. So there are some user reviews, and then you know, you have these features: a visual guide to site building. I'm going to show you that. And start designing amazing WordPress pop-ups. Yeah, so pop-ups is one feature that is not, you know, very that is not available in all the plugins, and you know, there has to be different kinds of plugins installed if you don't use a plugin, like if you don't use a page builder like Elementor, because, you know, with Elementor Pro you actually get all the features in one plugin itself. But, you know, apart from that, if you try to do everything that Elementor does by using a different number of plugins into in combination, you know, your website might crash, or the plugins might not be compatible with each other, and the load on the site also increases as, you know, the plugin codes keep on increasing. So that is why I recommend that using just this one-stop solution which has everything that you need, all right, which has everything that you might need in future as well, because Elementor Pro keeps on coming up with updates you know, regularly, and new features keep on coming, you know, that will blow your mind, and, you know, you will be amazed at what all can you do with Elementor. All right, and then we have these over 80 design elements with Elementor. We are going to use them. It works perfect with any theme and plugin, but, you know, as just like I told you, sometimes there is a problem of compatibility between the themes and plugins, so I don't completely agree with what they have written on the page. But the theme that we are currently using, Ocean WP, is perfectly compatible with Elementor, and it will not pose any problem to you. All right. So there are these more resources that you can see, and then there is this button called GoPro, which we are going to actually click on, and then we are going to purchase it and set up today in this video. All right. So Elementor actually has a free plan as well. You know, it has a free plugin which has a drag and drop editor. Responsive editing is possible. 40 plus basic widgets are there, and 30 plus basic templates are there. But a lot of features are missing from the free version, which, you know, you might be craving for after you know that what all the pro version of Elementor actually has for you. All right. So as you can see, there are three different plans here. The three different plans differ in prices based on the number of sites that you can use the Elementor license on. All right. So it's just the price is just different on different for the number of sites, but all the features in all the plans are going to be the same. Okay. So, you know, there are just two differences in plans. The free version actually has a lot of features missing, which I don't want you to miss, and we are going to obviously not use the free version, but we are going to use this personal version for one site, which is, you know, the project that we are working on, ritwishtiwari.com. Okay, so I just want to show you the differences in the features. Like you know, with the pro versions you will get everything in free, that is all these features, but now you can see that we have 50 plus pro widgets. Okay, these are not the basic widgets that I'm talking about. You will get the 40 plus basic widgets, plus you will get 50 plus pro widgets more. Okay, so in total about 90 widgets you are going to get, and these are very helpful, and these are very much required for different kinds of functionalities, you know, that you might need to build for your clients or for yourself. So don't just compare it based on the numbers. You know, basic and pro has a lot of difference in terms of features and customizability. Then you know, you have 30 plus basic templates here, but you have 300 plus pro templates here. You know, the number is also great, but the quality of those templates and what all can you do with those templates is also very much different. Okay, so these two, you know, you can just compare them straight away on the screen right now. But other than that, you get 10 plus full website templates kits. You might not be understanding what that means, but you'll get to know. Then we have this theme builder, which is very important. You can, you know, you don't have to rely on the Ocean WP theme or Astra theme or any other Hello Elementor theme. Okay, any other theme. You don't have to rely on the design part for the themes. You know, what all you learned in the appearance customize section, where I told you how to customize your themes and how the options are actually different for different themes altogether. Using the Elementor theme builder, you can actually design your entire theme. Okay, the blog post page, the archive page, okay, the category page, the 404 page. Then you have the pages, then you have the home page, then you have the blog page. You know, every kind of stuff which a normal theme actually has the power to do, you are going to do all of that using the theme builder provided by Elementor, and it's really cool. Okay, then you get the WooCommerce builder, you get a pop-up builder, which I talked about, that how the Elementor is different from all the other plugins out there. You get an opportunity to you get an option to build beautiful pop-ups with different triggers and functionalities, and at different times you can trigger them. Like if you want to trigger them, if I want to, if I go towards the cross button on the tab, a pop-up will come up. If I scroll 50% of the page, a pop-up will come up. If I just load a page on the website, a pop-up might come up from different areas of my website. So all the different stuff you can actually get with this pop-up builder. Okay, then you have the support for 1 year. The license that we are going to purchase is for 1 year, and we are going to get the updates for 1 year as well. And this is not all. Okay, if I compare the free version with the pro version, okay, you can see here that 50 plus advanced widgets we are getting in the pro version. We are getting the industry leading theme builder, we are getting the design oriented pop-up builder, then we are getting the visual form builder plus popular marketing integrations. Okay, I talked about the form builder as well. So you can compare the differences right away, that you have the pop-up builder, you have the theme builder, you have the form builder, you have the advanced widgets, you have the pro templates. What all are you getting with the premium version of Elementor? Then you have the WooCommerce builder, and the dynamic content and custom fields capabilities. This is a very much required feature. The dynamic content feature, you are going to understand its effects when we go ahead and create a template using Elementor, where I'll teach you how to actually run Elementor and how to design pages using Elementor. Okay, then the motion effects and the parallax and the mouse effects. This is what makes the website look dynamic. I'm going to show you that as well. Beautiful features which you're going to really love and enjoy. Then the more pro features that you get is the global widget, the live custom CSS, the post and portfolio widgets, the price table and price list, designing 404 pages, and yes, the one of the most important, how can I forget, designing the header and footer, for different screen sizes, for mobile, for tablet, for desktop, all three of them you can design using the Elementor Pro. And this feature is not available in the free Elementor, and you'll actually miss this feature, okay, if you don't have the Elementor Pro installed. Then you have the interactive carousels, you have the role manager, custom fonts, sticky elements, embed anywhere. Okay, custom fonts are again very much required. Like sometimes the fonts that you need are not available inside of Elementor or in WordPress, and you need to actually download those font files from somewhere else, and you want to integrate it with Elementor. So this feature is provided by Elementor itself. All right. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get Elementor Pro, and we are going to get the personal version for it, since we have just the requirement for just one site. Okay, so let's wait for the page to load. I have my card ready here. I'm going to actually just enter in my details, and it is done. Right, so you can see that there are these two buttons, download Elementor Pro and go to my account. So I'm going to go to my account as well. I have downloaded the plugin here, but then I'm going to my account as well. So you can see here that the steps are mentioned, that you have to download the file, install it, and then start using the pro features and widgets on your Elementor site. Okay, so till the time it is actually loading up my account, let's open up the website ritvistiwari.com. Alright, and let's log into it. So remember, ritvistiwari.com/wp-admin. You have to remember this for logging into the WordPress backend every time you have to log into your website. Alright. So let's log in. And we are inside our dashboard. So let's go to the plugins area and click on the add new option rather. And as I told you that we have an option to upload the plugin, so I'm going to just do that. I'm going to drag it here and install the Elementor Pro plugin. But now there is a catch here. I like to tell you that Elementor Pro is an add-on plugin on the free plugin itself. So you need to install the Elementor basic plugin first, and on top of that you have to install the Elementor Pro plugin, which will allow you to actually use the pro features of Elementor. Okay, so you must be getting a pop-up here as well. So let's just go with the flow and see what Elementor provides us. See here that you have this notification that Elementor Pro is not working because you need to install the Elementor plugin first. So let's just install Elementor now. Just like I told you, right? Everything is dynamic, everything is happening in front of you. So let's just activate the plugin, and I guess after that we will be done. So let's see, let's wait for it to, yeah, so it has been installed, and you can see that there is a guide by Elementor that you can watch the full guide. You can watch this video about getting started with Elementor. There are 10 videos in this playlist, so you can obviously go ahead and watch them to learn more from the Elementor team itself. but I am not going to do that. I'm going to train you from the scratch, so you don't need to worry because you have invested into this course. All right, so let's just go to the settings of Elementor, and since we have created an account, you need to connect it, right? So see, there's an option of connect and activate. Though we have installed the Elementor Pro plugin, but it has not been yet connected with the Elementor database. So, you can see here that I have the Pro license and I'm now connecting ritvistiwari.com and my email ID. Okay. And we are going to activate it. So that way we will now be able to access all the Pro themes and Pro templates that Elementor Pro provides us. Okay. Otherwise, Elementor would have no way to figure out that, okay, this website is linked to it. Now our website is actually linked with the Elementor backend. Okay. So, I have to, just like I opened this account page, let's just log in into that as well. And see, I think I forgot my password, but let's see. Yeah. So here I am inside my Elementor account. So you can see here that, this is my plan, this is my license key, and this is my renewal date. All right, active installs, one website is linked already. So if I would not have done it, using inside the WordPress account, there must have been an option here to link your website as well. Okay. So in the support part, you can actually see what kind of support do they provide. See, this is the invoice. I can generate an invoice, right? And then in the support part, you can actually reach out to the guys. There are some links for it. You can open a ticket as well. So this is your profile. I'm just giving you a brief overview. So I have to verify an email as well. So let's just do that. Let's see, where is that email? Yeah, so it is here. I have to confirm my email by clicking on this link, and I guess it should be done now. Yes, my email has been verified. Let's go to my account, and I'm going to close this tab here, and we are set. So my profile is now validated, I guess. Let's just go to the profile part and see. Yeah, so we don't have any options here to revalidate. Okay, and so you can see here that we can change our passwords and all. And then there is an experts tab. Let's see what that provides us. So we can talk to experts, I guess. Well, this is not something which we need, so I'll just go back to my Elementor account, and now actually I'm going to just log out of it because my task here is done. This is what we need to do inside the Elementor account, and if you want to open up a support ticket in future, then you might have to log in into it. But other than that, for the designing part, we are going to do it from inside our website itself. Okay. So I am logged out of my website, and Elementor has been activated on my website ritvistiwari.com, and you can see here that we have some of the options here. So this is a tab by Elementor, and then this is a templates tab by Elementor again. And within the templates tab, we have these options of save templates, pop-ups, theme builder, add new categories, and we are going to talk about them. We are going to instead go ahead and straight away use them, and when their role comes up, I'll actually make you understand what all do we do with these features. Okay, so in the upcoming 2 or 3 videos, we are going to talk about just the Elementor, and we are going to talk about the different widgets. All right, because the widgets are the parts where you actually go ahead and implement the functionality, and then I'm going to show you a little bit about how to design your page with the widgets. So the next 1 or 2 video is going to be about that, and after that we are going to actually take a template and we are going to design it in a similar fashion. Like, we are going to model a complete template, a complete website template, and that is where you're going to understand that what all has to be kept in mind, okay, before actually going ahead and creating a website, a custom home page or maybe a custom blog page, anything. So when we actually go ahead and model a website, model a template, then only you can understand that, okay, these all are the possibilities with Elementor, and then you will understand that, okay, where do I have to find the options and settings for, making those design changes. So this is me, Anmol Dugal, signing off of this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.